Hello.
Hello, how
How are
are you?
you? I am fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Good. What's your name?
I'm Sultan Ahmed Khan from Saudi Arabia.
Oh, Sultan. My name is
Yes.
Gerald, and I'm originally from America, Sultan.
Okay, nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Was there something in particular you wanted to discuss today, Sultan?
No, I just want to have a conversation.
All right. So, are you into technology?
Yes.
Okay. So, let me ask you, how do you think modern technology has affected our present world?
I personally think it has changed our lives and it does have a positive impact. But the problem is that whenever anything is invented, there are some pros and cons. There are a lot of advantages of mobile phones. For example, you can communicate with your loved ones who are not with you and they are living in the other part of the world, but you can have access to them.
Mhm.
But the negative impact is that the disadvantage is that most of the time we spend a lot of time on cell phones doing nothing, just wasting our time.
Okay, very interesting. Well, since you made that comment, that's something that I'm sure you don't do. Waste a lot of time on cell phone. Since you made that
Uh,
comment, I'm sure you don't do that.
uh, I'm not going to say that I never waste my time.
Hmm.
I sometimes waste, but most of the time I try to keep myself away from cell phones and using applications. And that is the reason I have deleted Facebook application from my cell phone so
Hmm.
that I will not keep wasting my time and browsing internet mindlessly.
Oh, okay. Very interesting. Very interesting. Hmm. So,
Yes.
what are some of the other bad effects that you think, uh, do you think modern technology has made the world a better place? Yes or no? Or in what way?
Yes, yes, you can say.
Why?
So this technology has turned this world in a global village. So we know whatever is happening around us. Secondly, what I think, like YouTube. Okay, so in this pandemic, when we were at home, we didn't have anything to do. So a lot of people utilize this time in learning something new. Even I learned a different language through YouTube. I learned cooking from YouTube. I learned different things.
Hmm. So, what do you think
Mhm.
the future is holds?
I think in future society will become worse
Hmm.
because no one will have time for the other person. Everyone will be busy in their own affairs.
Hmm. Interesting.
Yes.